This video is going to show you 5 powerful hidden Samsung features that most users don't even know exist. These tools are built into Samsung One UI and can significantly improve your productivity, privacy, and overall smartphone experience. Hidden Samsung features: Dual Messenger. Use 2 accounts on one phone. If you want to use 2 accounts of the same app like WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, or Snapchat, Dual Messenger is extremely useful. Go to Settings, then tap Advanced Features. Scroll down and select Dual Messenger. Now you will see a list of supported apps. Simply toggle on the app you want to duplicate. Tap Install and confirm the disclaimer. Once enabled, a second version of the app will appear on your home screen. You can also configure a separate contact list, allowing you to clearly separate work and personal communication without mixing data. Hidden Samsung features 2. Edge Panels. Fast access multitasking tool. Edge panels help you quickly access apps, tools, and shortcuts with just a swipe. Open Settings, tap Display, and scroll down to Edge Panels. Turn it on. Now swipe from the right edge of your screen to open the panel. You can customize it with apps, tools, clipboard, weather, and even smart utilities. This feature is designed for fast multitasking and saves valuable time during daily usage. Hidden Samsung features 3. Battery charge limit. Protect your battery health. Samsung includes a smart feature to protect your battery from long-term damage. Go to Settings, tap Battery, and select Battery Protection or Protect Battery on older One UI versions. Enable it, then choose Maximum Limit, usually 85%. This stops your phone from charging to 100%, which helps reduce battery stress and increases long-term battery lifespan, keeping your device healthier for years. Hidden Samsung features 4. Call background customization, personalized calling screen. You can now personalize your incoming call screen with images or videos. Open the phone app, tap the 3-dot menu and go to Settings. Select Call Background. If you use dual SIMs, choose the SIM you want. Tap Background, then select from preloaded options or choose from your gallery. You can even use a video as your call screen and enable sound if needed. Finally, tap Set as Call Background to save your settings and enjoy a more personalized calling experience. Hidden Samsung features 5. Pop-up View, Floating App Multitasking. Pop-up View allows you to use apps in a small floating window while using other apps at the same time. Open any app, then go to Recent Apps or swipe up and hold. Tap the app icon at the top of the preview and select Open in Pop-up View. Now you can chat, watch videos, or browse while continuing other tasks smoothly without switching apps constantly. These are some of the most powerful hidden Samsung features in 2026. Try them today and take full control of your smartphone like a pro user. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech tips and tricks.